Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a neat little GitHub trick that you may or may not know. Go to any GitHub repository and press period. And GitHub will spin up a web editor for you. It will organize all the code in that repository as a file system. You go to any GitHub repository, press period, and it will spin up for you a web-based Visual Studio Code editor. Makes this super easy to look through the code, to go through the file system, to get what you're looking for. Super easy, right? To access things. Makes much easier than going through, that whole click here and then you have to wait, and then click here and then you have to go back, and so makes things a lot easier. Shortcut, just press period on your keyboard and you're good to go. Please leave a like and thanks for watching.